So hey guys, today thought I would show you how I make sweet potatoes in my Instapot. So I've already washed all these sweet potatoes, and the first thing I'm going to do is put them right in here in the Instapot. And you can see they're in there, and this is the 6 quart, and it is plugged in, ready to go. So now I'm going to get 1 cup of water, and I'm going to sit the camera down and get the 1 cup of water. And sorry about that, but what I do here, this works really good. Everybody's been enjoying them. And I also, there's the 1 cup of water in. I put a little bit of avocado oil, and I always use avocado oil because it has a temperature of 500 degrees, so I always do that. So here it is. This is the avocado oil that I use, and I just buy that at Walmart. And then I take and I put some salt. And this is up to you whether you want to use it or not. And I always use the Celtic sea salt or the kosher salt for regular things. And now all you're going to do is put your lid on. If I can pick it up. There it goes. And we are going to hit the manual button and for 30 minutes, because that's probably what I cooked in here last time in this one, or rice. And I would of course push the rice button, and I also put a video up on how I do the rice, which is super simple, and they come out delicious, these sweet potatoes. And the rice, oh yeah, the rice is amazing. But that's it, and I'll be back when they're done. Thank you. So now I'm down to 13 minutes, and I wanted to make a point out. This is the old like one of the first 6 quarts, so it has the manual button, whereas now the newer ones have the pressure cook button, and this is the 8 quart here. So when you go over to the 3 quart, you also have the pressure button right there. I mean, pressure cook right there. Never mind, sorry, pressure cook. Okay guys, so I'm back now. I had some work to do. Let the release, if you have any. It's been 3 hours, so it doesn't matter. You can release it right away. But there you have it. You have some beautiful sweet potatoes, all from just 30 minutes on the manual setting on this one, and the pressure cook. Okay guys, get back, the dogs. Alrighty, bye. Look how nice and yummy it looks. And we are all done. Enjoy it. And it doesn't matter how many you put in there, as long as your pot will hold it. And of course the 8 quart, make sure you always use 2 cups of water. Thanks for watching. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our video on sweet potatoes. So now we're getting ready to cut some soap, and hopefully my next video for you will be on the gourmet. So stay tuned. Thank you.